even a year from now, we can look and say, oh, that's our cow, Tamara or Terry or what other Jamaican tea name? Hello. Hi guys, I'm dropping in really quickly because I need your help. So there is a new calf. She was born this morning and I have the task to name her. I would love to name her a real authentic Jamaican name. I'm thinking along the line Tamara, because the name has to start with the letter T. All the females born this year or who will be born 2021, the name will begin with the letter T. So I'm thinking along the line Tamara, Terry, I don't know what, because most of the cows here, most of the cows, the name is some Paula, still kind of Jamaican, but anyways, guys, let me introduce you to her, and in the comment section, please help me out with some tea names for her. So this is where she's staying. And we're going in. We're going in to see her. Oh, she's so tiny. Hello. Hello, little one. Hello. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't know you're already standing. I'm just meeting her. But I asked if I could name her. Hello. Hey. Alright guys, so let's give her a beautiful name. She's a beautiful cow. She'll be here for years to come because she'll be giving milk. So let's give her a name that when we come back and visit, I don't know when, even a year from now, we can look and say, oh, that's our cow, Tamara or Terry or what other Jamaican tea name? Tanisha. Oh my god, it's so funny. But yeah, let's give her a nice name that will kind of, when the Swiss sees that name, they'll say, oh, that's an unusual name. Alright guys, okay, let's leave Tamara to rest. Yeah, me already call her Tamara. Let's leave her to rest, and I'm looking forward to your support on this one. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.